Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Get ready to unlock your inner athlete and transform your body with the power of squats. That's right, in this video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of incorporating daily squats into your fitness routine. We're talking about a total body transformation from head to toe. And the best part? We're backing it all up with expert advice and proven results, so you know you're getting the real deal. Let's talk about strength, people. Squats are like the mother of all strength training exercises. We're talking quads, glutes, hamstrings, all those powerhouse muscles firing up to give you that toned, sculpted look you crave. But it doesn't stop there. Squats engage your core, back, and even your shoulders, creating a chain reaction of strength that ripples through your entire body. Think of it this way: every squat is like depositing strength into your fitness bank account. You're building a solid foundation that will make every other exercise easier and more effective. Suddenly, you're lifting heavier, running faster, and conquering those challenging workouts with a newfound confidence. So if you're ready to unleash your inner powerhouse, grab those weights and let's get squatting. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Hold on, because we're about to unlock the secret to a rock-solid core. You see, squats aren't just about those amazing legs and glutes. They're a powerhouse for building core strength and stability. Think of your core as the central link connecting your upper and lower body. It's the foundation for everything you do, from bending over to pick up your groceries to maintaining perfect balance during your workouts. When you squat, you're engaging your deep core muscles, those inner stabilizers that keep you upright and prevent injuries. It's like giving your core a workout from the inside out. This increased stability translates into better posture, reduced back pain, and improved balance, making you feel strong and confident in every aspect of your life. So ditch those crunches and planks for a minute. Just kidding, keep those too. And let's focus on building a core of steel with the mighty squat. Get ready to stand taller, move with grace, and feel the power of a truly stable core. Get ready to kiss those tight muscles goodbye, because squats are here to unlock your inner Gumby. That's right, squats aren't just about building strength, they're incredible for improving flexibility, especially in your hips, hamstrings, and ankles. Think about the movement of a squat. You're hinging at your hips, sinking low and stretching those muscles that tend to get tight from sitting all day. Regular squatting helps to lengthen and loosen those areas, increasing your range of motion and making everyday activities feel like a breeze. But it's not just about touching your toes, although that's a nice bonus. Increased flexibility means reduced risk of injuries, improved athletic performance, and even better posture. So get ready to move with freedom, grace, and a whole lot less stiffness. Get ready to torch those calories, because squats are about to become your new secret weapon for fat loss. We're talking about a metabolic blast that will have you burning calories long after your workout is over. You see, squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which means your body has to work harder and burn more energy to fuel those powerful movements. But it gets even better. Building muscle through squats increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you'll be burning more calories even when you're just relaxing on the couch. It's like having a secret calorie-burning engine running in the background 24/7. So, if you're ready to fire up your metabolism and transform your body from the inside out, make squats your go-to exercise. Get ready to sweat, feel the burn, and watch those pounds melt away. Let's talk about taking care of those precious joints, because strong joints mean a happier, more active you. Squats are like a magic elixir for your joints, strengthening the muscles that support them and improving overall joint health. Think about it. Your knees, hips, and ankles are all involved in the squatting motion. When you squat regularly, you're strengthening the muscles and connective tissues that surround these joints, providing them with the support and stability they need to stay healthy and injury-free. But it's not just about preventing injuries, it's about improving your quality of life. Stronger joints mean less pain, more mobility, and the freedom to stay active and do the things you love for years to come.
Get ready to stand tall and proud, because squats are about to give you the posture of a dancer. You see, squats aren't just about building a strong lower body, they're incredible for correcting postural imbalances and improving your overall alignment. Think about how you stand when you have good posture, shoulders back, chest open, and core engaged. Squats strengthen the muscles that support these positions, helping you to maintain a more upright and aligned posture throughout the day. But it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Good posture reduces strain on your spine, improves breathing, and even boosts your confidence. So ditch those slouchy habits and embrace the power of squats to stand taller, feel more confident, and radiate an air of strength and vitality.
Get ready for a mood boost because squats aren't just good for your body, they're amazing for your mind too. Exercise in general is a powerful mood booster, and squats are no exception. When you squat, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. But it's not just about the endorphins, it's about the sense of accomplishment and empowerment that comes with challenging yourself physically. Every squat you conquer, every rep you complete, is a victory, a testament to your strength and determination. So, next time you're feeling down, lace up your sneakers and get ready to squat your way to a happier, more balanced mood. Let's talk about accessibility because everyone deserves to experience the incredible benefits of squats. One of the best things about squats is that they can be modified to fit any fitness level, body type, or space constraint. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's a squat variation out there for you. You can start with body weight squats and gradually add weight as you get stronger. You can use dumbbells, barbells, resistance bands, or even just your own body weight to challenge yourself. And the best part, you can squat anywhere. At home, at the gym, in a park, or even in your office during a break. No fancy equipment or gym membership required. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete because squats are about to take your performance to the next level. Whether you're a runner, a swimmer, a basketball player, or just someone who loves to move their body, squats can help you achieve your athletic goals. Remember those powerful muscles we talked about? The ones that squats strengthen? Well, those muscles are essential for running faster, jumping higher, and moving with more power and agility. Strong legs and glutes translate into explosive power, improved speed, and enhanced athletic performance in any sport or activity you enjoy. So, if you're ready to dominate on the field, court, or track, make squats your secret weapon. Get ready to experience the thrill of pushing your limits and achieving new levels of athleticism. Let's talk about playing the long game because squats aren't just about looking and feeling good today. They're about investing in your long-term health and well-being. Regular squatting can have a profound impact on your overall health, reducing your risk of chronic diseases and improving your quality of life for years to come. Remember those calorie-burning and muscle-building benefits we discussed? Well, they play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing your risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. But it's not just about disease prevention, it's about feeling vibrant and energized well into your golden years. Squats help you maintain bone density, improve balance and coordination, and stay active and independent as you age. Listen up, we've just scratched the surface of what daily squats can do for your body and mind. We're talking total body transformation, from increased strength and power to improved flexibility, fat loss, and long-term health benefits. But here's the deal. You're not going to see results by just watching this video. You've got to get up, get moving, and make squats a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. No excuses. Find a squat variation that works for you, start small, and gradually increase your reps and weight as you get stronger. Challenge yourself, push your limits, and I promise you, you will see and feel the incredible results. Now what are you waiting for? Get out there and start squatting your way to a healthier, fitter, and more confident you.